Welcome back. This is the follow-up lesson to Stroking Bird's Tail, part 1. And this is the bridge that gets us into stroking bird's tail to the right. So first, watch me. We just finished doing the push and we're here. Watch. Please do not follow, just watch. So if you keep in mind the ending point that we're trying to reach, which is really the beginning position for stroking bird's tail to the right. And all that is holding our ball with our foot prepared. So our ending spot is here. Here. Holding that ball with the right hand on the bottom and our right foot empty stance next to the left. So you can see. And this is throughout the 24 forms, so this position is not new to you. And this is our beginning of stroking bird's tail to the right. So with our bridge, that's what we're trying to acquire, or the mark we're supposed to hit. So we just finished doing our push, so go ahead and join me now. And link your left hand with your left leg. They act in unison almost. So weight shift back to the right and part your hands, almost like parting curtain. And then turn your left toe towards the back wall along with your hand, your left hand. Weight shift to the left, right hand scoops the right leg in and hit your mark. Hold that ball. Your right hand is on the bottom. Let's try again. Weight shift back to the right leg, open your arms. Your left hand acts as though it's turning and is one unit. Your left hand brings your left toe to the front. Weight shift to the left leg, scoop the right leg in, hold your ball. So you can see that the arms are driving the legs here. It's really the dantian, as previously mentioned, but for our purposes here, I want you to really think about left hand being linked to left leg, right hand scooping the right leg. So weight shift back to the right, part the curtain or open up. Left hand brings left toe, weight shift, right hand scoops up right leg and hit your mark. Weight shift back, open your hands, left hand, left toe, weight shift, right hand, scoops right leg in, and prepare. I'm going to show you one more time from a front view, and let's see if I can maybe do it the opposite way for you. So it's a mirror image. So I would weight shift back to the right leg as I open up. My left hand brings the left toe. My right hand scoops the right leg in and prepare. So I'm doing a mirror image. You would do exactly as I do, watching me, and I'm telling you the proper leg and arm. So your weight is on your left leg, you're pushing forward towards your left. Weight shift to the right as you open up your hands. Left hand brings left toe to the front. Weight shift to the left. Right hand scoops right foot in and settle. So I hope that helps to see from a front view. And now I will do it where you can just follow me. Left leg's forward. Weight shift to the right, open up your palms. Left hand scoops left foot. Weight shift to the left, right hand brings in right leg. So that is our segue between the two stroking bird's tail. So let's go ahead and do the stroking bird's tail, adding on the segue for stroking bird's tail to the right. So we're facing the back, holding the ball, left hand on the bottom. Open up, step, ward off. Turn your dantian, grab the rope. Play tug of war. Fling. Face front, cross your wrist. Weight shift. Release. Pull back. Slough off. And push. Now we're going to do the segue that we just learned. Weight shift to the right foot as you open your palms. Left hand brings left foot forward. Right hand scoops in right foot. Shall we try that again? All right, I thought so. And first is ward off, then tug of war, fling, face front, push, release, pull, slough off, push. Here's our segue. Weight shift to the right as you open, left hand, left toe, weight shift to the left, right hand, right foot. And we'll do this one more time, and then you always do have the rewind on your video if you want to practice it a few more times. Weight shift back to the right, open your palm, left toe, left hand, weight shift, right hand scoops right foot in. And there you have our segue from left stroking bird's tail to right stroking bird's tail. Thank you for joining me at Tai Chi for Life. My website is flowingmobility.com, and I look forward to seeing you again next lesson, where we will cover, guess what? Yes, you got it, stroking bird's tail to the right. I will look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.